I ended up in the back of my car with my old teacher. So the other day I was out for a walk when I heard a voice behind me shouting my name. I looked around and it was a teacher I had in secondary school, and to be honest I always had a crush on her. She was about 5 feet 2 inches and blonde, which is my type. We had a quick catch-up. I asked her how she was and she asked me what I was up to. To my surprise she mentioned that she was getting a divorce from her husband and was out to clear her head. I offered to walk with her, which she said yes to. We probably walked for about an hour just talking until we got back to where I had parked my car. She didn't have her car and she said she was going to wait for the bus, but I offered to give her a lift back to her place. We started to drive and suddenly she placed her hand on my leg and said, "Why don't we go back to your place?" I instantly got hard and knew where this was going to go. She started to give me a handjob while I was driving back. Once we got back to my flat we went straight into my room and she got onto her knees and was begging me for my D and said that she wanted to be my slut. She was probably sucking on my D for the next 10 minutes. Then I told her to stand up and I picked her up and started plowing her until I threw her on the bed and kept going. After she had come a couple times she was begging me to cream in her, which I did. We then got in the shower and did it all again before I drove her home.